Historical data in Excel using Excel feeds, advanced techniques. In a previous video, link in the description, I showed you how to get past Microsoft prices in Excel. As seen here, in that video, I explained the meaning of the subset of the input parameters. Now I will go over the remaining parameters. Let's first look at the formula in cell A1. The input ranges are not visible in their entirety. So let's move them around so that they are visible. And edit the formula a bit so that it references the moved ranges. Now the formula references 3 distinct ranges, all visible in the screen. These are the output historical data. They consist of 5 columns with the titles, time, close, high, low, open. This is due to having custom columns equals true in row 20, and raw titles and shown titles, as seen here. You can see the descriptions of these keys by selecting the respective cells. For example, here is the description of the key, shown titles. And this is the description of the key, raw titles. Let's set custom columns equals false in order to see the actual titles reported by Yahoo Finance. Now 7 columns are returned and the first column carries the title, date. Format the last 2 columns by copying and pasting the existing format. Now display only 2 columns with custom titles. First keep a safe copy of these data. Now rename the top 2 titles and delete the rest. Set custom columns equals true. Delete the 3 titles at the bottom. The formula in cell D1 returns error. Select the error cell to read the description in the wizard. Excel feeds complains about the titles supplied under the key, raw titles. The solution is to edit the formula in cell A1, so that it references only the top 2 titles. Revert to the previous state by resetting the original titles. Next set output as object equals true. Now the formula stores the historical data inside an object. The object's contents can be seen in the wizard by selecting the cell. Revert to output as object equals false. Next set go to URL equals true. This setting causes your internet browser to navigate to the respective Yahoo page. Revert to go to URL equals false. Click on the drop-down next to no filter to see the available options. Next set rescale values equals true. Now all returned numbers are rescaled in such a way that they all equal 100 on the earliest reported date. We can change the base value to 200. By setting, base value, equals 200. Revert to, base value, equals 100. Next set base date, equals latest date. Now all numbers equal 100 on the latest reported date. Next copy a specific date. For example the November 1st, 2023. And paste it in the cell next to the key, base date. Format the cell so that it displays a proper date. And set base date, equals custom. Now all numbers equal 100 on the specific date of November 1st, 2013.